morning everyone. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Welcome to visual classes. Myself Rajeshri Prahalad. Handling 4th standard English. Today my topic is about the naughty dog. So tell me, how many of you have a pet at home? Usually they will keep dog, cat, birds, rabbits. Isn't it? They will keep the pet animals. So, why do you think people like to have pets? Why they will keep the pet animals? To show love and affection. Isn't it? And which is the most common pet? Here, usually you will see the dog only is the common pet animal. So, in this lesson also, let us start today's topic, the naughty dog. Everybody open your textbook and listen to my audio. There lived an old man who had no one other than a pet dog as his friend. The dog name was Caesar. So here, there lived an old man who had no one, only he had a pet dog along with him, and he has his friend. The dog was his friend. The old man was well disciplined and strict about his ways. He was very strict about his ways, and he followed a routine for his day's activities. So he followed a routine for his day's activities. Here routine means what? Action regularly followed, what he was doing, regular activities, that it is called it as a routine. So tell me, frame one sentence for the word routine. Frame one sentence for the routine. What you are going to frame? One sentence. We used to have coffee routine early in the morning. Isn't it? So that is the routine word. And here every morning he took his dog Caesar for a walk. On his way back he stopped at a coffee shop to have a cup of coffee and got Caesar a bun. So this routine word what he used to follow. He had a cup of coffee in the coffee shop and Caesar a bun. The man bought a newspaper at the newsstand and Caesar took it home holding it between his teeth. So the man used to get the newspaper at the newsstand and took Caesar a bun. And who will take the newspaper? The Caesar used to took the newspaper holding it between his teeth. So this is the routine work followed by the dog and the old man. So one day what happened suddenly? The old man fell ill and could not move out from his bed. As he missed his newspaper, he made his dog to fetch it for him. He gave Caesar a 2-rupee coin to buy the newspaper from the newsstand. So suddenly what happened one day? The old man has become ill. So he couldn't get out from on his bed. For that purpose, he made the dog to fetch the newspaper for him. And the dog brought back a newspaper every day. The old man was happy. He could get the newspaper every day. Daily he was bringing the newspaper for the old man. The dog Caesar, he used to bring the newspaper to the old man. And this was continued this for many days. Meanwhile, the coffee shop owner was very happy about the dog. He would say that is my best customer. He pays regularly and never bothers me with idle chat. So, every day the dog used to bring the newspaper from the shop. And even the customer, who is the customer here? A person who buys things. So, for this also frame one sentence for the customer. The customer used to bring mangoes from the popcorn shop. So that is the word, frame the word for the customer. So here also the Caesar used to bring the newspaper from the shop, and for that purpose the customer also felt very happy. He is not doing any chit chat while bringing the newspaper. Only he used to take the newspaper and he used to bring and give to the old man. This is the routine work followed by the dog. So let us continue the next lesson. Thank you. Good morning everybody. As last class we discussed about the pet animals. Everyone has pet animals in their home, either dog, cat, and somebody they will keep birds and rabbits also in their home. Why they keep the pet animals? Because it shows the love and affection more than the human beings. So let us discuss today also more about regarding this topic only, the naughty dog. One day, an old man keep the dog as a pet animal. He shows more affection and love to the pet dog. And his routine work was he used to go for a walk along with the dog. And the dog name he kept as a Caesar. So usually everybody will keep the pet names to the dog. And like this here also the old man kept the dog as a Caesar. So wherever he will go, he will take the Caesar along with him. So every morning for the walk purpose he will take the dog along with him. And he stood in a coffee shop. He had a cup of coffee and the Caesar had a bun. So along with him, and again he went to the newsstand to get the newspaper. And the newspaper daily the dog will bring the newspaper. It will keep between his teeth and it will bring to the home. So like this routine work was going on. So suddenly what happened? One day the old man fell ill. So he couldn't go out to get the newspaper. So he called the dog and he gave 2 rupees to the dog to get the newspaper. So every day the dog used to get the newspaper and give to the old man. Daily routine work was going on. By seeing this, the customer, the news customer who was there in the shop, they felt very happy by seeing the dog that it was getting the newspaper and giving to the old man. So by this, what we come to know that the dog was a very faithful animal and it helps the old man, and daily it was giving to the old man to the newspaper and getting the milk to give to the old man. So by this, we come to know that if keeping the pet animals and more showing the more affection and love, even the animals also give more affection love to the human beings. So this we come to the end of this session. Next session will continue in the next class. Thank you children. Good morning children. Last class we have discussed about the pet animals. The old man kept the dog as his pet animal. He used to take his dog for a walk. He stood in a coffee shop to have a cup of coffee and Caesar a bun. So like this routine work was going on. So suddenly what happened one day? The old man has become ill. He couldn't get on his bed. So for that purpose, he used to tell the dog to bring the newspaper. So like this, the dog used to go and bring the newspaper daily for the old man. Like this activities was going on. So let us continue the next paragraph. When winter season set up, the old man's condition became worse. So again, when the winter season has come, still more illness the old man has got, and his body was become very worse. He was forced to stay in bed. The dog like a faithful servant. So this dog was a very faithful servant because daily he used to go and bring the newspaper for the old man. So this routine work was continued and he got a faithful servant for the old man. And he helped his master. He went out and came back with a newspaper every morning. So after he had completely recovered from his illness, so after a few days over, the old man has completely recovered from his illness. So here recovered means got well after illness. So suddenly he got well after his illness. The old man went to the newsstand and with his dog. Again, he went with his dog to get the newspaper because he has got recovered now. So next day he only went to bring the newspaper along with his dog. He was surprised to hear that he owed 80 rupees to the shopkeeper. So when he went to the shop, what he suddenly shocked by hearing that he has owed 80 rupees. Here owed means to pay money for somebody for something. So for that how much money he is to give for the shopkeeper? 80 rupees. Suddenly he is shocked by hearing that he has to own the 80 rupees. And shocked to hear that he decided to find out what had happened to all the money he had sent through the dog. Daily he used to give the money to the dog to get the newspaper. When he come to the shop and he asked that he has to give 80 rupees for the shopkeeper. So what happened? And next day he gave the dog a 2 rupee coin and his dog rushed out. So the old man secretly followed the dog. So by hearing this, the old man got surprised. So next day what he thought that he gave the coin to the dog and secretly he followed the dog towards the shop. And Caesar went straight to the coffee shop and put the money on the counter. The waiter gave him a bun. He ate the bun and then went to the newsstand to get the newspaper. So suddenly he was surprised what to do. So he followed the dog. What the dog did? He took the coin and he put it into the shop and he get the bun from the shop, and after that he went to the newsstand to get the newspaper. So naughty dog, said the old man. He realized his mistake. From then on he gave the dog 2 rupees coin, one for the bun and other for the newspaper. So by this what the old man realized means what? Understood what that. So when he gave the 100 rupees, that means the naughty dog used to take the bun for that money. He did not get the newspaper. So by this hearing that, the old man realized and daily he was giving 2 rupees coin, that is one for the bun and one for the newspaper. So by this lesson what we come to know, the old man has realized his mistake and he made the man foolish. This is what in this lesson, the naughty dog. Let us continue in the next class. Thank you, children.